Best fix of getting Windows ready, don't turn off your computer. So if you want to fix the notification or the thing which says getting Windows ready, don't turn off your computer. If you're using a laptop or a desktop and getting this message in your computer screen, then you will have two options. Now, the only thing you need to do is look at a keyboard. If you're using a laptop, look at the laptop keyboard, or if you're using the desktop, then look at the tower or the power button under your desktop. Just press and hold for 10 seconds. And in this case, the computer will be turned off and there will be no problems. And after turning that off, now wait for 1 or 2 minutes and then again turn on your computer, and that's how you can fix your problem. So that's how you can fix the getting Windows ready, don't turn off your computer screen. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.